Peel off the electrostatic backing and place it where desired. Peel off the adhesive backing and press the mount onto the windshield sticker. Use a crowbar. We recommend routing the cable as shown for a clean look. Route the cable along the windshield and dashboard edges, keeping it tucked to avoid obstruction or tangling. Peel off the electrostatic backing and place it as desired. Then remove the adhesive backing and press the mount onto the sticker. We recommend routing the rear camera cables as shown.
Start recording.